Yeah, now working on the drive shaft. They do offer optional metal parts that you can purchase. It'll come pre-assembled, so you can just install it. But yeah, I mean the plastic itself is a good quality, so I haven't broken anything, I haven't snapped anything. So far, so good. They're these tiny little pieces that you have to connect. So basically, a square with the tabs on them, and you just have to connect these components on top of it. But the problem you'll run into is that this thing moves too much. It keeps spinning when you're trying to put the tabs on. It's gonna keep on spinning on you, right? So one of the trick that I found to be quite useful is just take a Allen key and then shove it behind the the moving piece, so it will stop spinning. Put the one tab end in first, and now you just have to push until you hear click. One drive shaft done. I think this is the shorter one. There are two different variations that you have to create. Yeah, so the shorter one is from your transmission to your transfer case, and you gotta create two of the longer ones. So you need to create 3 sets, and the longer ones will go between the transfer case to your axles. The instruction says, do not use over strength. Please be patient. I tried and I already broke a piece, so luckily they provide you with extra bits, knowing that people will break them. So yeah, they'll have plenty of extra stuff to build the axles, but the drive shafts. But yeah, it's not fun. Oh, now I'm building the shocks. It's a lot of fun. Gather your parts. Yeah, so this rod end, I have to insert the rod inserts. To do this, you'll need a needle nose plier. No! Yes! Oh! Slip in the piston. Whoop. Now slip in the spring and then slip on the rod end. Look at that. Pyong, pyong. That's fun. Now gently grab. I'm gonna edit all of this and make it look super easy, but it took a lot of effort. Oh my god. Yeah, I have one shock. What the hell? What do you do? What's here? Here it is. Yeah, one shock. Done. I gotta build 3 more. I just did a double take on the manual here because I have to build the steering rod, but actually have to bend the rod myself. So there's a picture provided in the manual. Use that as a reference to mark the rod where you want to bend it. So I probably want to. I really don't know what I'm doing. I sort of got it. Yeah, I think that came out alright. Alright, now I'm moving on to making the transfer case. Just gotta look at the parts list, make sure I have all the parts ready to go. Yeah, I'm making good progress. Just got the steering servo and the motor mounted. I got the brushless motor for this. The front axle is pretty much done. Steering link is on. All the shocks are done. So yeah, making good progress. Yeah, I'm gonna paint this body super quick and dirty with the Tamiya primer. Yeah, finally working on the chassis. Just putting everything together now. You know, I gotta say, so far it's been a fun build. Frustrating, yes, very frustrating. But once everything comes together, like, it feels really good. Do I feel a little iffy about all the plastic bits? Like, everything is plastic basically, except for the chassis, a few other pieces, but pretty much all plastic, right? So, I don't know how I feel about that right now, but I guess it'll prove itself over time. Look how tiny the entire thing is. But yeah. Everything does go smoothly because, like, I know they paid a lot of attention to the chassis because it's threaded. Okay, by the next time I come back, I should have most of it done. And hopefully I will even have a running video for you.